Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make a turtle for you. I draw a shape of his tummy. I use different shapes to learning for my children. I cut all the draw lines. Now his tummy is ready. I make his face. Now like this and cut all the pieces of this turtle. Cut it of its points. Cut it carefully or neatly. I paste it like this. Now draw his feet or legs. Cut it. Now I draw a proper shape of his nails like this. Now I underline with the marker, permanent marker. Use it. Look. It looks like this. Okay. Now other feet is ready. Right, like shape. I draw a face of a turtle. Look, it's smiley, cute face. Okay, now highlight the all the turtle's surface. We use glue on it and paste it all of his head or his legs or feet. Now all the shapes we paste it on on his belly. It looks amazing. Please subscribe my channel.